The Vibrational Magic of Gratitude. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, why is gratitude magic? Because gratitude causes things to grow and expand. And why is that? Because when you feel gratitude, you're feeling like you have something. You're feeling abundance. It's the vibration of having, the vibration of abundance. You see, it's not related to how much of something that you have or how big or quantity or anything. It's just the feeling of having. And when you have the feeling of having, now that's high vibration. That's abundance. And that the law of attraction is picking up from you that signal of abundance. So no matter what it is that you have, it's going to cause it to grow, because when you have something at a certain level and you want it to be more, then we know that your vibrational reality contains the more, because your inner being always gives you what you want when you want something more. So when you find a gratitude with what you have, now you're in vibrational resonance with the more that you want. So if you have a house and you want a different house that has more features, and it feels like it would be what you would call a bigger house, and it doesn't necessarily have to be that, but in your experience, it's a house that's more than what you have. And so as you feel the gratitude for the house that you have, and you feel the gratitude for the house that is on the way, because in the experience, the contrast, right, of the house that you're living in has caused you to want more of a house. Now you know that you have a physical house, and you appreciate that, you feel gratitude for that, and you have a vibrational house at the same time, which is the one that you want. And so now, as you feel gratitude for the house that you have, and you feel gratitude for the house on the way, now you're a vibrational match to the path and the thing that you want. So now the details come together. You receive the details to receive the house that you want. And then, after you're in that, maybe you're going to want a different house again. So you see, that's joyous expansion. You just want more, to be more, to do more, to have more. It's very natural for all of us to be like that. It's just the way joyous expansion works. It's kind of the same thing if you're single and you want a relationship. You could approach that from the fact you're saying, oh, I've been dating and I can't seem to find what I want, and it's not working out. I can't seem to meet the people that I want to meet. Or you could say, oh, isn't it wonderful that I'm getting to date different people, and I'm getting clarity about what I want, and I'm having great experiences, and I'm seeing variety, and I'm really excited for what's on the way. Now, we know when you want something, relationships, something that you would want, that your inner being has set it up. It knows what you want from your life experience. So the more dates you go on and the more clarity you get about what you want, then your inner being just keeps refining that to what it is that matches what you want, right? So if you're grateful for the experiences, the dating experiences that you have, and you're grateful for the one that's on the way, knowing it is for sure, see, now you're in a vibration of abundance. You're in a vibrational resonance to what you want. You're high vibration. And so it grows. And so you invite to yourself that experience that you want, and you're going to receive it. Law of attraction is going to connect you with all the details that brings that to you. Same thing with money. I mean, the law of attraction has no idea how much money that you have. And if you're feeling grateful for what you have, and it doesn't matter how much it is, then that's the vibration of abundance, and your life calls you to ask for more. We know that there's more on the way to you. It's in vibrational reality. So now you're grateful for what you have, and you're anticipating what's on the way. You're grateful for that creation that your inner being has set up for you. Now you're in vibrational resonance to receive more. You see, it just keeps growing. When you're grateful for anything, it just keeps growing. But the thing with money, and really probably other things, even relationships. People that want a relationship and they see, oh, they got a nice relationship, and then they feel envious or they just feel bad that they don't have it themselves. You see, that's not gratitude at all. That's just low vibration stuff that keeps you from receiving what you want. I mean, your experience is all there the same for you to receive. And so, as again, you're grateful for the dates that you go on and you just keep everything in a high vibration, then you're going to be receiving what you want. And so with money, if you compare yourself with others or compare yourself with, oh, I should be further in life, I should have more by now, that's all shooting yourself in the foot. That's not gratitude at all. That's lack. That's complete lack. And when you're there, then of course it's not going to grow because you're not in the vibration of abundance and, feeling grateful for what you have. You're feeling awful for what you don't have. And that is just going to keep you having what you don't want to have. Same thing with a job. You could be grateful for the job that you're in, and if it's not completely the way that you want it, so your inner being knows what you want and it's set that all up. So that's what allows you to be really satisfied with where you are, is because more is on the way. They really work hand in hand, physical reality and vibrational reality, to give you that total satisfaction, because you can feel really grateful for the job you're in, knowing the one you want is on the way. And so again, as you are feeling the gratefulness for that, you are in vibrational resonance with the new job experience that you want. So you expand to that, and then you expand. Life is just joyous expansion. So any part of your life, it's going to expand continuously over time, for sure. So this is the magic of gratitude, and it's so easy. You just can go through your day, no matter where you are or what you're doing. I mean, you can always find something to be grateful for, and you are filling your daily bucket up. Let's say your vibrational bucket with the law of attraction is that's where your law of attraction is interpreting your vibration through sort of your daily deposit. So if you're just going from one thing to the next and feeling the gratitude for things, then you're flowing really in high vibration energy all day long. I mean, I say you can live a high vibration life on gratitude alone because it's high vibration. That feeling of abundance, of having, is just going to put you in resonance with everything that you want, and it's going to flow into your experience. Now that's sort of current reality that you want to be grateful for in whatever it is, so that it can expand and become the more that you want it to be. We also have to be aware that we must be grateful for ourselves. We really, really got to be honoring ourselves, feeling appreciation for ourselves. We got to be really in tune with ourselves. This is another piece of the gratitude puzzle. The magic of gratitude is gratitude on all matters of our vibration, and certainly ourself is an important piece of the gratitude puzzle. So we want gratitude there as well, and we want to have gratitude for the contrast in our life. Imagine that, being grateful for contrast, being grateful for what people call problems and failures or traumatic things or anything like that. Imagine being grateful for that contrast, because that, in fact, is what has you asking for more of what you want. And you got to apply that gratitude for contrast to your current life matters and all of your past, right? Because all of your past, any of those things that you see is not pleasant, that was all contrast that caused you to ask for more. So you got to carry that gratitude right from the past right up through to all your dreams and desires and everything current. And you most certainly can do that because of the way I'm explaining it here. And contrast, feeling the gratitude for contrast, that it did give you the clarity, and the asking for more is certainly a place that we want to be experiencing gratitude for. And we want to be just gratitude for understanding how the creative process works, how life is all set up for us, and everything is in place to work out for us, and we have so much universal resort working for us. We want to be grateful there too. And so when you're grateful in all of these different ways, then you can see how much gratitude you can carry through the day. I mean, that's really a nice broad perspective of the full understanding of gratitude. And so not only is it about the things in your daily life, wherever they are, feeling the gratitude for them, but it's feeling the gratitude for yourself, for the way the universe works, for the contrast, for vibrational reality, the path that brings you along to connect with the things you want. You be grateful for that. I mean, that's a lovely part of life, the path, no rush to get anything, because you want to savor that path of all those lovely details. And so now you're just about, again, we're receivers, right? We don't make anything happen and go out and get it. We take care of our vibration. We tune our vibration in our daily life, and gratitude is such an easy way to do it. And when you're tuned there, now you're in a receiving mode. You're in this receiving vibration, because with that high vibration energy flow, the law of attraction is going to be connecting you with the details that connect you with the things that your current life caused you to ask for, want more of, right? And so that's the magic of gratitude. It just causes everything to grow. You can say, gratitude grows. You could just say it like that. Gratitude grows, and it most certainly does, because in its essence, it is the vibration of abundance. It's the vibration of having. And the law of attraction doesn't know how much you have of anything, but it certainly knows if you're feeling grateful for it. And if you want to see something in your life grow from where it is to, something more that you want to be experiencing, you just tune into gratitude for what you have. You tune into the gratitude for the thing that your inner being created for you, the improved experience and the path to it. You tune into the gratitude for the contrast, which is the asking from your current life and past things that have happened, and you tune into the gratitude of how the universe is set up for human life to work for us on planet Earth, and it's just amazing how it all is set up for us. So that's the message for today. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and have yourself a great day.